Achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji, achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji, achone Kasapiny, the home of beauty, the home of talent, that made us champions, the beautiful mountains, Mount Elgon, we got the river, City Falls. That's where we belong. Come to Sebei and feel the vibe, feel the cold breeze, climb the mountain. Sebei is beautiful. Kapugon, to let a bell go, little na sister. Achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji, achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji,
achone Kalenji, Lewaka, Sebei region, yeah. Letting her away, Chomdo speak home of talents, yeah. Sebei land, a motherland, yeah. A candidacy on me gay, chetech for enyo, sabi, yeah. La Jonani, oh, the beautiful place, blessed by God, Kalenji.
Achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji, achone Kasapiny, achone Kalenji. Sebei is known for the best. Have a place and rest. Come and dance to the beat. Sebei is a home of vibes. Eastern Uganda, our beautiful home.
Sebei kumugun kapkonyo chechamke chiomeke.